Alrighty, so here we have my Project 1 demonstration of my simple environments. And so this is my first environment, and it's composed of 21 cubes, 9 on the front, 9 on the back, 3 in the middle, all different shades based on how far back they are, like what level they are, in depth-wise. And they're all transparent, as you can see. And I thought that was cool because it gave the light a different way to interact with the image. And I have the floor that it rests on, background's dark blue, floor's gray, as you can see with the white light here. And my idea behind this was to kind of mess with the rotation of light and the rotation of objects in 3GS, because I wanted to expand upon that in my second environment. I really like seeing how the shadows work with these lights that orbit. And these two lights are spotlights. This one's, I guess, the moon. This one's the sun. And they have sphere mesh children, so they have the round shape. And I wanted to lock the camera so that I couldn't go below and see kind of the bottom of the flat earth, as you will. And then my second environment is this one right here. And I have all of these different cubes rotating the same rotation around a point light here in the middle that you can't actually see because I didn't add a sphere child to it. But as you can see, it's kind of cool to see how this red spotlight reflects off the cubes. You know, how you can see the red versus the purple, and how it kind of shines through the cubes at some points because they're transparent. And I also added 100 random location stars, as you will, just spheres. I wanted to add I was going to add a white dot texture and have those be the stars on the spheres, but then I realized I could just create white spheres and do that, and that'd be simpler because I was having problems getting my textures to load. I was getting the black box that people mentioned on Piazza. But I thought this was cool because it gave it a stars kind of feel, and it's kind of like being in space, so to speak. And yeah, all these cubes were rotated with a method that would take in the different cubes and their locations in space in order to translate them back to the quote-unquote origin and rotate them around it. With this one, my starting camera angle is further back than with this environment. You can see the cubes look a little bit bigger, obviously, because you start closer to them, whereas like it's more like back here with this guy. And yeah, that about covers it.